Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Before we will proceed to our today's topic, there is one good news for all that we have launched our Salesforce admin training course. This course is for both beginners as well as for the advanced level expert. You can also watch this even if you don't have any knowledge about the Salesforce. We have covered up the 9 plus module with 21 plus hour of HD videos in which we have covered both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. We start up with the introduction to the Salesforce and the CRM essentials. We have also let you know about the Salesforce release cycle with the Salesforce edition and the pricing packages too. We also let you know how you can navigate yourself to Salesforce Lightning to the classic and create a free developer account in Salesforce too. We have covered up all the essential features of the Salesforce Lightning interface. Even we have let you know how you can create a user, manage the user, even you can activate, deactivate and create or reset the password of the user. If we talk about the security, we also let you know about the object level security, field level security, record level security, and also let you know how you can share the things with other Salesforce admins. And if we move ahead, we also let you know about how you can create an app with objects and the tab and with its essential features. We have covered up each and every field that are available in Salesforce with some of its functions and the formula in both Lightning as well as the classic user interface. If we move to the advanced topic of a Salesforce, we have let you know about how you can create a custom buttons to the links to the action pages and the page layouts and the list view. We also let you know about the schema builder to the process builder and the validation rules, so you can also automate the process executions and do the automation things. We also let you know how you can use the reports and dashboard to visualize your data inside in Salesforce easily. If we are dealing up with the bulk of a data, you are dealing up with the millions of a data, we have let you know about the data import wizard tools and the data loader, so you can use it to insert, to delete, to update and to create all the data in a one go. So this course is for the Salesforce admin. Even if you don't have any knowledge, you can go with that course. This is a totally 100% self-paced video module. You can go and watch anywhere when you get a time according to your preference. Even we are letting you go, give the PDF material so you can easily grasp the things at the end. We also give you the certification once you complete that course, and this course is available at the 50% of discount right now with the lifetime access. And one of the most best feature of this course is that we are giving you a one-to-one doubt clear session with interview preparations and the internship opportunity. So now let's move back to our today's topic. So today we are going to learn about the CaseSafeID function, and we are going to learn this concept for both Salesforce Lightning as well as the classic user interface. So let's firstly understand what does we mean by the CaseSafeID function in Salesforce. So the CaseSafeID function in Salesforce is used to convert the 15 character case sensitive Salesforce ID into the 18 characters case sensitive ID. It is a one of the text type of function of a Salesforce, but in Salesforce Classic this function first checks that whether it is a valid Salesforce 15 character ID, and if it is, then it only convert to 18 character ID. To check the validity, it check them that the ID does not begin with a capital letter. So let's proceed and see the syntax of this function. So the syntax of the function is given on your screen. Here ID is the parameter whose value you want to replace with the case insensitive 18 character ID. So you can pass any of the text field to the parameter, or you can directly pass the 15 character ID enclosed in the quotation mark. So let's proceed and see how you can use the case safe ID function in Salesforce Lightning and Classic. So here I log in into my Salesforce account and I click on the gear icon and click on a setup option to redirect myself to the Salesforce Lightning setup homepage of a Lightning interface. And once I reached here I have a object manager tab on the top of the navigation bar. I click on that, and here I need to choose the object on which you want to apply that function. So I am going to use that function for the account object. I click on that, and once I click on that, after that I click on the fields and the relationship option given on the object manager left side, and after that I click on the new button given on the right side. Once it will redirect to the next page where it asks me to choose the field type that you want required. Here I choose the formula as a 1 and click on the next button, and after that I need to create a field label. So here I set the field label as a case sensitive account number, and the field name get automatically populated. After that you need to choose the formula return type. Here I set it as a text and click on the next function to proceed to the next step. So here after that I need to create up the function. For that, here I click on the right side and click on the all function category as a text, and this case safe id function is a part of the text function, so I click on that, and after that I click on the insert selected function, and here it get already entered to the formula editor. Now I replace this id parameter with the field value, so I click on the insert field and select the account number from here and click on the insert button. Now to check whether it is correctly working or not, I click on a check syntax. It's successfully working. Here basically I am using the case safe id function to convert the account number from the 15 character case insensitive id to the 18 character case sensitive id. So if you want to add a description and help text, you can also do that. After that I click on the next button to proceed to the next step, and in the next step you need to choose the profile to which you want to grant the edit access of that particular field. If you don't select the profile, it will be hidden from the field level security. After that you need to click on the next button. Now here you need to choose the page layout on which you want to include that particular field. If you don't select the page layout, the field will not appear on that. After that you need to click on a save button to successfully save it, and here it saves the formula field with the case safe id function. To check it how it's correctly working or not, you need to click on the app launcher, and from here you need to search for the account as the object. So here I click on that, and now you need to choose the already existing one to check it, or create a new account as per your requirement. You can go with any of the option to checking that. So here I am going to edit the this one that is already existing, and I am showing you how it's working. I click on the detail section. Here you can see that we have a account number here, and this case sensitive account number is representing here. Now I am going to change it. Let's just change this one. Here I am going to change that one, so I type it here the random things, and I have to basically make it to the 15 characters. Nothing else is logic behind that things. So here I enter it down for the 15 character and click on a save, and okay, duplicate one is exist, so I change its name and click on a save it again. So here you can see that now it's give us a case sensitive account number. It puts up a triple A to the back of it because of the converting into the 18 character. So with this we have learned how you can use the case safe id function in Salesforce Lighting. Now we will see how we can use it in a Salesforce Classic. So I click on my profile and click on a switch to a Salesforce Classic option to redirect myself to the Classic interface. Now it's moved to the Classic one. I click on a setup as an option on the top, and once I click on that, it will take me to the Classic setup page. I scroll down, and on the left side we have a build as a section. I click on the customize option. From here you need to choose up the standard object on which you want to apply that. I am going to show you the example for the orders. So let's find the order as a standard object. Here I click on a fields as an option, and then you need to scroll down to the order custom field and relationship section and click on a new button. Once I click on that, it will take me to the page where you need to choose the field type. I choose the formula as a 1 and click on the next button, and once I click on the next button, it asks me to enter the field label. So here I enter the field label as a secure order number, and the field name get automatically populated based upon that. Now you have to choose the formula return type. I choose the text as a 1 by checking the radio button and click on the next button. Once I click on the next button, it will move to the next page where we have to create up the formula, and for creating up the formula I use the case safe id function. I click on the all function category, choose the text as a 1, and once I choose the text, here I will get the case safe id as a function. I click on insert selected function and replace this id parameter with my required insert field. So I click on insert field and pass the order number to it. So here I am searching for the order number. Once I click on that, and here I am not picking up the already existing one. I am choosing that I have created for myself, the order number as a custom field, and click on the check syntax to check whether it is correctly working or not. It is fine, so I click on the next button to proceed to the next step. Once I move to the next step, here you need to choose the profile to which you want to grant the edit access of this field via field level security, and this field will be hidden from all the profile. If you don't add it to the field level security, it will not be available for that particular profile. Then I click on a next, and here you need to select the page layout that should include this field, and I simply click on a save button. Once I click on a save, it successfully save up the formula field with the case safe ID function. So with this, we have successfully learned how to create a formula field in Salesforce Classic and Lightning using a case safe ID function. So if you like this video, click on the like button and also subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanking you for watching and have a great day.